Okay, guys. So I realized that putting the making that drawing on SolidWorks with the dimensions for your propeller might be a little bit of a process. So I decided to make this video to help you out, so you can have it and submit it this Sunday. So first of all, let's check the requirements, right? So if you go to Canvas, you can go to week 4, and then you go to this Propeller Assignment Instructions presentation. Click there. It'll take you here. Then click on this link and it'll take you here. Once you arrive here, let me just go to the beginning, so that's the first thing you'll see. This is how you will see it. Just click on this arrow until you find this here, right? And this, I'm gonna zoom in so I can cross-reference the dimensions. So just as really quick, we want the piece to be this is how tall the piece is, the propeller. By the way, any right here can be less or equal, so all of them can be equal. Okay, it's less or equal, so even if you don't see them, there should be an equal there. So how tall the propeller is 0.4 of an inch, 0.42 of an inch. This outer diameter right here is 0.4 of an inch. The little hole where the propeller is going to be mounted to the motor is 0.1 of an inch. And then you have the overall constraint of the size, right, which is less or equal than 2 inches. Again, equal. All right. So I'm gonna go to Open SolidWorks, and what I have here is a design that one of you guys submitted. Really nice. So I'm gonna use it for this demonstration. So if you were designing here and you wanted to quickly see, get a sense of if you have the right diameter, you can just quickly go to Evaluate right here. This tab, Evaluate. Okay, right here. And then click on the measuring tape. Once the measuring tape comes on, you'll see how it comes onto that right there. If, by the way that you exit the tool, just press escape. Okay, at any point you can just press escape to exit the tool. So I'm gonna go there. Say that you want to measure this right here, the perimeter of this circle. It was 0.4. Okay, so is that when the constraints? Let's see. There's this guy here, 0.4. Yeah, equal. Yeah, perfect. It works, right? Let's see. Then let me measure. So I'm gonna escape so I can select something else, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna grab this one, and I grab my tool. Okay, I'm gonna escape out, grab the tool, go to the circle, and right says 0.1. That's where the motor is gonna be mounted. Let's see if that has oh yeah, that's at 0.1, so that's good. Okay, so that's how you can check on the fly. So I'm gonna press escape to get out. Let's say that I want to check the thickness of this propeller, which, by the way, this is the only way that you're gonna be able to check the thickness. Go to the measuring tool again. Yeah, that little tape, and then select this face. Now I'm gonna use the keys on my keyboard to turn this thing around. Once I turn it around, I click here, and there we go. This is the one you want. The total distance is 0.02, which it may be a little too thin. I think the specification says maybe 0.1, something like that. So this might be too thin. It's really easy to fix. So the student that make this is probably gonna won't have a hard time just fixing that really quick. The propeller looks great, anyways. Okay, so let's jump into now making a drawing. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that to go make a drawing from this part, you go to this little here, this piece of paper looks like an icon. Click on the arrow down, and it says make drawing from part assembly. Select that. Once you select that, it comes to this right here. You see all these options I have here? You may not have that because this is checked. If you only see these options, just click and you're gonna see all the options there. What I'm looking for is a piece of paper that just like letter size, which is 8.5 by 11, but I want a landscape, right? I'm gonna select landscape 8.11 by 8.5 inches. Select, okay. Then it creates this sheet. I'm just gonna click anywhere here, right? So this is your blank canvas where you're gonna drag your parts. The parts are here. So go to these menus. You'll see this one, view palette. Click there. I'm gonna take a front. The way that I click it in, I just click on it and drag it out, and then it comes here. Perfect. So once this part loads, I click escape, so I can go and grab the next one. I'm also gonna grab a this one, the left. I'm just gonna click on it and drag it out and put it here. Okay, then I click OK, so I don't have to I exit the tool. From here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get for few dimensions. I'm gonna get the dimension of this, and it's gonna be written down now, because this sheet of paper that you're creating right now, I'm gonna save it as a PDF document, and that's what you're going to submit to Canvas. Okay, so we're gonna get the whole dimension here, which has to be less than 2 inches, if you remember. This one right here, we're gonna get the dimension, we're gonna get this dimension, and we're gonna check how tall this part is. Okay, so first of all, let's get the dimensions of this, which is going to require an extra step, and that extra step has to do with you going to sketch right here, sketch, right? I just click here so I can go and actually show you what it is, sketch, right? I'm gonna grab a circle, and then I'm gonna zoom in here, and I'm gonna go in there. You see how it became orange? Then click and drag out somewhere outside the propellers. It doesn't matter, we're gonna make adjustments in a second. Okay, so now that's done. Okay, click escape. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna zoom in here, and I'm gonna get this is gonna be tangent to this. Okay, the way that I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna click here to select this. Okay, let me escape out. Okay, so you see how it's kind of gray right now. So I'm gonna go here, and it becomes orange. I click there. Now it stays blue, right? Then I'm gonna press shift, the shift key on your keyboard. Press shift and go find this part, this one here. You see how it becomes orange? Now click again, and now it becomes blue. Okay? Now after you did that, now you can do this relationship here. This is tangent. Okay? But before I do that, let me just show you again how to do this. So you're gonna be here. You're gonna go and click once here. Now shift key and go find this one and click there. Now you have them both blue. You're gonna go to this properties manager and click the tangent. Before I click, check what's gonna happen here. Okay, I click tangent, and boom, it goes exactly what I wanted around it. Okay, gonna check mark, and I'm gonna go look at the whole part. Now I have everything I need. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my dimension tool right here, and I'm going to select that circle, and I'm going to drag it out. That's my measurement. I'm dragging it out to right there, press it there. You're going to get this window. If you get this window, just click OK. Nothing bad has happened. You're good. Okay. Now, when I did this the first time, this dimension thing was really tiny. The way that you can change the size of that dimension, you're going to go, I'm just going to click this OK. I'm going to go to this gear, and it's going to open this menu. In this menu, go to document properties, then go to annotations right here, annotations, and then notes right here, and then right here fonts, click on fonts. Then instead of units, you want points, select 10, click OK, and you're done. You're gonna see the same size as this here. Okay, good. So now let me take a measure. I'm gonna do the other dimensions. I'm gonna go here and select this one. Okay, and I'm gonna put it here. So that's my dimension there. I'm gonna press escape or check mark, whatever you want. Then I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna take my tool again. I'm gonna do this circle. I'm gonna put it here. Perfect. Click on it. Good. Escape or check mark. Alright, so I have those dimensions. Now I'm gonna get my escape tool, my dimension tool again. Click here, drag, just move the mouse to the other side and click on the other line, and then get the dimension. Okay, so those are the dimensions that we want. So now let's double check. So this is supposed to be less than 2 inches, right? Based on this. This here says less than 2 or equal again. So it is 1.4. That's great. That's within limit. That's perfect. Now the mounting hole for the motor, 0.1. Let's see. Is that 0.1? Mounting hole for the motor, 0.1. Yep, perfect. Okay, we're doing good. Then here, 0.4, right? It's right here, the outer diameter of that cylinder, which is this yellow one. It says 0.4. Perfect. So it's good. Now just the last one, which is this, how tall it is. Less or equal to 0.42. Let's see. This is 0.42 exactly. That's perfect. Okay. So now you have all the dimensions you wanted. Okay. But this is enough for us to tell that that you are within those constraints. Now the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to save this document first in the SolidWorks format. Okay. To do that, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to say save as, and it's going to bring here. Okay. You can see it right here. It says drawing.drw. That's what you want. I'm just gonna put in this one. I'm gonna say propeller drawing by Diego. Okay, let's see. Diego. Okay, and then I'm gonna say save, whatever location you want. Right, in this case, I'm putting it on downloads. I'm just gonna save it there for right now. Replace it. Yeah, I had already done it, so it's fine. Yes, replace it. Okay, so now I saved it as a SolidWorks document, but that's not what I want. I want a PDF. So I'm gonna save it again as a PDF. Same idea. File, save as, and now instead of this right here, I'm gonna go here and select PDF. Okay. Now I select PDF, downloads, save. Perfect. It should have been saved. Okay. So let's check. So if I go back to my documents here, I go to downloads, and here it is. This is the SolidWorks file, and here is the PDF. If I click on that, it opens a PDF. Perfect. Now I just close here. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So this file, you're gonna take it from here and put it into Canvas, right? So where is it gonna go? It's gonna go here. You go to Canvas. You go to week 4. You will go to Propeller assignment I'm sorry, no presentation, but here is student design Propeller optional Canvas submission. If you can submit it here. If you have any problems at all, you can just email it to me. Okay, and that's it. I hope this helps, and I hope you guys get this done and send it this Saturday. All right, cool. Thank you so much. See you guys soon. Bye.